In this video, I want to talk about how you can find hidden promo codes on Temu. Now, to find these promo codes, there are a few different ways that you can do this. Now, the first one is you want to play the in-app games. Now, playing these daily games will give you free items, or they can give you credits or promo codes. The second one is just use the Temu app, enable the notifications in there, and when you have this enabled, you will be able to get these promo codes. Now the next one is to subscribe to the email or SMS. Usually if you have subscribed to the email, you will get a lot of promo codes or discount codes sent to you via email. Now the next one is referral codes. So obviously these are for new users and stuff. And these are usually really big promo codes. Next one is you can try and browse some online communities. So you can just try and Google or on YouTube, and sometimes they will have codes in there that work. Now I suggest Reddit and go to some kind of Temu one. And now the last one is sometimes if you abandon your cart, they will actually give you a discount code that you can use. So these are the ways that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.